Hello, friends. Great to have you here. My name is Richard, and I want to welcome you to our channel, The Daily Health and Weight Loss. I want to thank you very much if you have been watching our videos. We love you so much. And if this is your first time of watching my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you won't miss any important video. We are going to discuss best foods for healthy skin. Please watch this video to the end, and I promise you that you will learn a lot. Nourishment is significant for well-being. An unhealthy eating habit can harm your digestion, cause weight gain, and even harm organs, for example, your heart and liver. Be that as it may, what you consume additionally affects another organ, your skin. As researchers become familiar with diet and body, it's undeniably certain that what you eat can fundamentally influence the well-being and maturing of your skin. This video investigates 12 of the best nourishments for keeping your skin solid. Number 1. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, for example, salmon, mackerel, and herring are incredible nourishments for healthy skin. They are great ways to get omega-3 unsaturated fats, which are significant for keeping up skin well-being. Omega-3 unsaturated fats are important to assist keeping skin thick, flexible, and saturated. Truth be told, an omega-3 unsaturated fat inadequacy can cause dry skin. The omega-3 fat contained in fish helps diminish inflammation, which can cause redness and skin inflammation. They can likewise make your skin less sensitive to the sun's hurtful UV beams. A few examinations shows that fish oil enhancement may help battle inflammatory and immune system conditions affecting your skin, for example, psoriasis and lupus. Fatty fish is likewise a great way to get nutrient E, one of the most significant cell antioxidants for your skin. Getting enough nutrient E is basic for shading your skin against harm from free radicals and irritation. This sort of fish is additionally a great way to get excellent protein, which is required for keeping up the quality and strength of your skin. In conclusion, fish gives zinc, a mineral indispensable for directing the following: general well-being of the skin, the creation of new skin cells. Zinc insufficiency can prompt skin irritation, sores, and deferred wound recuperating. Inflammation. Fatty source of fish like salmon contains omega-3 unsaturated fats that can lessen inflammation and keep your skin saturated. They are likewise a decent way to get excellent protein, nutrient E, and zinc. Number 2. Avocados. Avocados contains high quantity of healthy fats. This fat is beneficial in numerous capacities in your body. This includes the health of your skin. Getting enough of this fat is fundamental to assist the skin in being moisturized and adaptable. One investigation including more than 700 ladies found that a high admission of complete fat, explicitly the sort of healthy fat found in avocados, was related with increasingly flexible and springy skin. Primer proof additionally shows that avocados contain certain compounds that may help shield your skin from some harm. UV harm to your skin can cause wrinkles and different indications of maturing. Avocados are likewise a decent way to get nutrient E, which is a significant cell reinforcement that shields your skin from oxidative harm. Most Americans don't get enough nutrient E through their eating routine. Strangely, nutrient E is by all accounts progressively effective when joined with nutrient C. Nutrient C is additionally basic for healthy skin. Your skin needs it to make collagen, which is the fundamental auxiliary protein that keeps your skin solid and healthy. Nutrient C insufficiency is common nowadays, yet basic manifestations include dry, harsh, and layered skin that will bruise easily. Nutrient C is additionally a cell reinforcement that shields your skin from oxidative harm brought about by the sun and environment, which can prompt indications of aging. Around half or 100-gram serving of avocado gives 14% of the daily value for nutrient E and 11% of daily value for nutrient C. Avocados are high in useful fats and contain nutrients E and C, which are significant for healthy skin. They additionally pack compounds that may shield your skin from sun harm. Number 3. Walnuts. Walnuts have numerous attributes that make them a magnificent nourishment for healthy skin. They are a decent way of getting fundamental unsaturated fats, which are fats that your body can't make itself. Truth be told, they are more richer than most different nuts in both omega-3 and omega-6 unsaturated fats. An eating habit excessively high in omega-6 fats may promote irritation, including fiery states of your skin like psoriasis. Then again, omega-3 fats lessen inflammation in your body and skin. While omega-6 unsaturated fats are abundant in the Western eating habits, sources of omega-3 unsaturated fats are uncommon. Since walnut contains a decent proportion of these unsaturated fats, they may help battle the potential inflammatory reaction to exorbitant omega-6. Furthermore, walnuts contain different supplements that your skin needs to work appropriately and remain healthy. 1 ounce, which is about 28 grams of walnuts, contains 8% of the daily value for zinc. Zinc is basic for your skin to work appropriately as a barrier. It's additionally essential for wound healing and fighting the two microscopic organisms and inflammation. Walnuts likewise give limited quantities of the cell reinforcement, nutrient E and selenium, in addition to 4 to 5 grams of protein for every ounce, that is 28 grams. Walnuts are a decent way of getting basic fats, zinc, nutrient E, selenium and protein, which are all supplements your skin needs to remain solid. I hope you are getting quality knowledge on best foods for healthy skin. If you are enjoying this video, please drop your comments, like and share too. And if this is your first time of watching my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you won't miss any important video. Number 4. Sunflower seeds. Generally, nuts and seeds are great ways to get skin boosting supplements. Sunflower seeds are a great example. 1 ounce, which is 28 grams of sunflower seeds, contain 41% of the daily value of selenium, 49% of the daily value for nutrient E, 5.5 grams of protein, and 14% of the daily value for zinc. Sunflower seeds are a great way of getting nutrients, including nutrient E, which is a significant cell reinforcement for the skin. Number 5. Sweet potatoes. Beta-carotene is a supplement found in plants. It serves as pro-vitamin A, which implies it tends to be changed over into nutrient A in your body. Beta-carotene is found in vegetables and oranges, for example, sweet tomatoes, carrots, and spinach. Sweet potatoes are an outstanding source. 1/2 cup, which is 100 gram serving of heated sweet potatoes, contain enough beta-carotene to give in excess of multiple times the daily value of nutrient A. Carotenoids like beta-carotene help keep your skin healthy by serving as a characteristic sunblock. When consumed, this cancer prevention agent is included in your skin and shield your skin cells from sun exposure. This may help forestall burns from the sun, cell damage, and dry, wrinkled skin. Strikingly, high measures of beta-carotene may likewise include a warm orange color to your skin, adding to a general healthier appearance. Sweet potatoes are a fantastic way of getting beta-carotene, which goes about as a characteristic sunblock and may shield your skin from sun harm. Number 6. Red or yellow bell peppers. Just as sweet potatoes, bell peppers are a brilliant way of getting beta-carotene, which your body changes over into nutrient A. 1 cup, that is 149 grams of cleaved red bell pepper, contains what could be compared to 156% of the daily value for nutrient A. They are likewise probably the best way of getting nutrient C. This nutrient C is vital for making the protein collagen, which keeps skin firm and solid. A crop of about 149 grams of bell pepper gives a great 211% of the daily value for nutrient C. An enormous observational examination involving ladies connected eating a lot of nutrient C to a diminished danger of wrinkled and dry skin with age. Bell peppers contains a lot of beta-carotene and nutrient C, the two of which are significant cancer prevention agents for your skin. Nutrient C is likewise important to make collagen, the auxiliary protein that keeps your skin solid. Thank you for watching my video on best food for healthy skin. I am sure that you learned a lot. If this is your first time of watching my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you won't miss any important video.